Denied entry to Canada? Well, you're not out forever. Here's how to get back in. Hi, welcome back. Denied entry at the Canadian border. It feels like the end of the road, but it's not. Whether it was for a past criminal charge, a misrepresentation, or an immigration issue, there are legal ways to get back in. Let's talk about the two most important, the temporary resident permit, known as the TRP, and the criminal rehabilitation. There are a few main reasons you might be inadmissible to Canada. A past criminal conviction, even a DUI from 10 years ago, may deem you inadmissible. Immigration violations, like overstaying a visa. Misrepresentation, such as providing false documents or hiding some facts. Being previously deported or removed from Canada. Even if the issue seems minor, border officers have a wide discretion. If you're flagged, you need to fix it before trying again. A TRP is a short-term solution that allows you to enter Canada, even if you're inadmissible. It's ideal if you need to visit urgently for family, business, or medical reasons, are inadmissible but haven't yet qualified for rehabilitation. You can show your visit won't pose a risk to Canada. To apply, you need a detailed explanation, supporting evidence, and a strong justification. TRPs are usually valid for days, weeks, and up to a maximum of 3 years. Let's talk about criminal rehabilitation. Criminal rehabilitation is the long-term solution. If it's been 5 years or more since you've completed your sentence, you may be eligible. Once approved, your past record no longer affects your travel to Canada. You'll need documents such as police certificates, court documents, evidence that you've changed, like employment character references, volunteer work, and so forth. This application is about showing that you're no longer a risk and have been living a stable and a responsible life. We've helped hundreds of clients resolve their inadmissibility. Whether you need a TRP urgently for a funeral or a business trip, or want to start the criminal rehabilitation process to travel freely again, we know how to present your case. We prepare compelling legal arguments, handle the paperwork, and help you avoid getting denied again. Your future in Canada isn't over. Book a consultation today and let's start rebuilding your pathway back to Canada. Thank you, and until next time.